Alright, this is going to be our third and final video. I'll keep it quick. We're just going to mount some hooks on here. There's 4 of them. I got this 2-pack for $2.50 at Walmart. It's about $5 in hooks. We'll mount it on the wall and fill it up with stuff so you can see the finished product. Okay, we're off to mount it. Alright, now in our apartment complex they have to put these holes in the walls for us, so that was already drilled for us. I pre-drilled a hole in the top here in the center, and I got my screw poking out just enough to make it easy to install. So let's get it done. Okay, something like that. There you are. Hope y'all enjoyed.